are experts in information and content management, but particularly we like to focus on the non-functional requirements in our implementations. The reason for this is that it's key that the system obviously looks good and functions well, but needs to function in a performance and secure and de-regionalised way sometimes on a global scale. So we like to make sure that we capture all those non-functional requirements early on in a project and make sure that we have implemented them right through to the end, right through to support as well.
So I think you could describe Ixxus's expertise in two key areas. There's what we do and how we do it, and then there's and what do we build with, what are we specialists in. So that first area, we are both a consultancy and a systems integration company. So what I mean by that is we're very happy to have really smart people get involved in the early stages of head scratching around a particular challenge or opportunity to help our customers figure out what is an appropriate approach, what is an appropriate solution that's going to actually meet the needs of their business, of their customers, of their users. And then if required, we're also able to carry on into then architecting and building that system for our customers, deploying that so that it then becomes live. And indeed, we also provide 24/7 support. So we can provide that support service as the thing's gone into live production. We can support that, and we do that for our customers around the globe. Within that sphere, we provide a whole range of services that have just become useful. So things like training. We can train our customers to own their own system going forward. We can train users how to effectively get the best out of the system. And also things like, the solution should never just be the technology. If you haven't understood what changes you need to make as an organisation, then you're in for a rude shock when the technology turns up, because very often people potentially need to work in different ways to actually become more efficient and to actually realise the benefits out of the technology that you've invested in. You need people to change how they're doing their job. And so we're also experienced in helping organisations go on that journey, helping organisations understand the reasons why they need to change, helping those organisations transition people from old world to new world, so that the investment that they've made in the technology actually delivers a return, because people do transform to a new way of working, they do realise the benefits from the system, and they're getting a lot of value out of the new system. So that's kind of the how and what around we do.
Ixxus are specialists in a number of select technologies. Alfresco is one of them as a platinum partner, MarkLogic, Solar and Lucene, and Elasticsearch as well. MongoDB we use as well, and implementing these across a number of different architectures and infrastructures using Amazon or Rackspace, or maybe on-premise, or a hybrid approach where we can use cloud and on-premise solutions.